Hello, today I will be making a tutorial on how to make a film camera. So you start with your set of 216 magnets and you just unroll the whole thing. You make a ring of 6 and then you add 2 more layers on top of that. So you have this, and then you reverse the pattern. So you can flip it over and then put on 1 more layer. This layer is 12 magnets if you want to count. And you put another layer on top of that. So you have this kind of wheel looking thing. And you make 1 more of these. So here you go. Flip it over. And 1 more. And you can just stick them together. They should look like that when stuck together. Okay, next you make a small ring of 4. Put that down. You want to make 4 of these. After you make 4 of these, you carefully stack them so they look like this. And then you continue stacking them until you have a small cylinder. It's a pretty tricky step, so don't be discouraged if you can't get it on first try. And you need another double layer ring of 6. So you have 1 of these, put that off to the side. You make 1 ring of 8, and then put that off to the side. And make another ring of 8, and you layer it 6 times. And you repeat. So you make 1 more of those, which should use the rest of your magnets. Now I take these 2 and stick them together like this, and then just squeeze it. And then you have this rectangular block. The back will look a little different from the front. Okay. Now take this and carefully put it in the center. Let's see. You don't want it to stick like this. This is the wrong way. You'll see because it lines up that way. The right way, you flip it over. It lines up this way, and it's a lot stronger. See, I can just hold it like that, and it won't fall. Okay. Then you take this ring, and you don't want it to stick like that. You want it to stick like that, where it looks seamless, and you just kind of put it on the back and just shift it until it looks somewhat symmetrical. This is just artistic step. There's no exact way to do this. After a while it looks somewhat passable. You can spend a little bit more time on that if you want. You take this piece and then you want to stick, again, you want it to stick seamlessly. You don't want it to stick like that. Okay, if it does that, you flip it over and you want it to stick like that. And then you just squeeze it so it's actually flat. And after you squeeze it and make sure it's kind of symmetrical on both sides, you can carefully just stick your fingernail here and open up the front. So you have this. And then the last part, you just grab that and just stick it on top. And it's hard to mess up on the steps, but I guess you could shift it around if it doesn't look right. And there you have it. You have a film camera.